Good morning, good people. How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up. Larry Jones live here. We're going to get you guys off to work this morning and talk about what's going on in the market. All right. All right. So let's see. Yep, there we go. We're live. Hey, I want to hit you guys with some news and we will go right in to answering a few questions. All right. This morning. All right. Hey, how you guys doing? Listen. Last night, FedEx Q4 sales fell 10% as demand drops. Okay, I think I'm reading this right, and I'm the one that took the notes. Okay, so FedEx fell last night. They had their earnings, and it wasn't good, showing that demand is slowing. All right. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right, let's keep it going. Here's some exciting Tesla news that is happening. There's a lot of bullish things going on with Tesla. We know that GM, Ford, and now Rivian are sharing Tesla's 12,000 charging stations. Now, 12,000 is not the total amount of charging stations that Tesla has, but they're giving these three major automakers access to 12,000 of their charging stations. Yes, yes. So, also too, Elon Musk meets, this is very important. Elon Musk meets with Indian Prime Minister, all right, to talk about significant investments in India. As you guys know, that India did the flippening, meaning India is now the world's largest country. They overtook China last year, believe it or not, over 1.4 billion people. Of course, there's 330-ish million people here in the U.S., but India overtook China as the most populated hey, good morning. Yes. Most populated country, right? And so the market is wide open for growth. And so Elon is meeting with the prime minister. A Reuters report, let's move that out of the way. A Reuters report that Texas is going to require state-backed charging stations to include Tesla's plug. All right. So the state-backed charging stations in Tesla will now include Tesla's plug as one of their adapters, further driving more business or income for Tesla. All right. Wow. Wow. And then China did a $72 billion tax break for electric vehicles. You guys do know that Tesla is over there with China. This seems like a lot of Tesla news, but it will further drive Tesla's price, I believe, upward. Okay. So yesterday, we know Alibaba fell because the CEO walked away saying that he wanted to get into some more stuff, blah, 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 blah. That is never a good thing, along with negative news on China's economy caused Alibaba to fall. I know a lot of you guys have Alibaba, whether it be the stock or the plays as far as call options. But I do call options out long on Chinese stock or ADRs because I usually take advantage of low pricing when these crises occur. Okay. Bitcoin is almost at 29K. It may be at 29K at the time that you see this, but Bitcoin has turned around and came back. You got companies like BlackRock, Charles Schwab, Citadel, Fidelity are all positioning themselves to partake of the crypto winnings. Okay. And so you guys know I showed you my Mara and my Riot, which is up handsomely today. And I believe I'm going to make a video. I believe that in some ways, Mara and Riot, especially Mara, I'm really bullish on Mara. I believe that in some ways it is safer and better than actually crypto at large at this price point. I'm sorry, I'm up 30% on Mara right now. pretty much in a day. So I shared my portfolio with you guys on yesterday, the plays that I got in yesterday, so you can watch yesterday's videos. Okay, so I just wanted to brief you on what's going on, and so some of you can get to work this morning and see what's going on. Let's look at what the markets are doing. Hey, Houston in the house. Good morning. Yes. All right, let's see what's going on here with the indices. And I am filming this pre-market, so the market is not open yet. All right, so let's go right to it. Let's refresh that. Let's see the futures. Oh, it's not showing really good right now on this. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Yeah. Let's see if we can get down. There we go. As we could see here now, look at that negative on the S&P, right? The Dow is showing flat. The NASDAQ, let me blow that up. NASDAQ, as you can see, is down. S&P, we all flat now. Well, we will see what the day brings. I believe that today could actually be a green day. It could. Now, I don't have a crystal ball. Anything could happen. Even though it's red this morning, I believe that things could turn around and we can end up a good day. Hey, a green day. All right. All right. Now, let's answer a few questions. I'm trying to be in and out of this video in 10 minutes. All right. Good morning. Good morning, Ken. You spend a minute on, I don't know, the IUL policy. I really, I can't speak to that right now. I would be ill prepared to tell you the truth. I know this AI plays cooling, the EV plays are heating. That is true. AI plays are cooling and EV plays are heating, with the exception of ChargePoint. ChargePoint is taking a beating because of what Tesla is doing to these charging stations. Let me go up. Yes, good point. BlackRock owns a majority of Riot. Riot should maintain the rally and bail. Yep, I'm in both. I am in both. Yep. Thank you, Tasha Moore. Thank you. Yep. Mara, lovely Mara. You sound like Zip Trader. All right. Let's see what else we got here. Tesla, king of the yard. Yeah, Tesla's like an unstoppable bull. I will tell you that just doing options in Tesla, ever since the bounce back, I've made a ton of money on Tesla. You guys saw that I was up another 5K yesterday on Tesla. It's the gift that keeps on giving. And I'm out, right? In and out. Any thoughts on AMD? AMD is good. AMD is good. But I hate First Republic Bank. They took my money. I'm gonna make a video about that. I'm not getting back into First Republic. I don't care what the potential is. Me personally, I got burned on it. You guys saw that. So hey, you win some, you lose some. All right. So I lost on it, and I made a lot of money. You guys followed me, but I got into a play that I didn't share with you guys, and I'm glad I didn't, because the play that I got into that I didn't share with you guys, I lost, and it's because I didn't follow my disciplines. I got greedy, and greed caused me to lose money. Yep, even I still don't follow my disciplines, but since that day I have. Trust me when I tell you I have. Yep, since that day I have learned my lesson, and I'm gonna be a good boy from here on out, because I learned a big, huge lesson. All right, let's maybe make a video about everything money channel idiots there are on like them. Do you know about Fidelity buying Grayscale? Yes, Fidelity is supposedly putting in a bid to buy Grayscale. Fidelity is setting up. If you got Fidelity, all you've been seeing is them getting ready for their crypto launch. And even at the time that the SEC Gary Gensler is negative, I believe that eventually Gary Gensler will be moved aside. There's a huge conflict of interest. We know that Binance's CEO, CZ, Gary Gensler, went to him for a job first before he got the job at the SEC. So it's just a lot of improprieties going on with Gary Gensler. Yep. He makes it hard for his mother to love him. Anyway, what else? Good morning. Hey, you have a great day too. Yep. Let's go down. I would love to come to Copenhagen. I would absolutely love it. Yep. Thanks, Jack. Patience. I like that, Jack. My discipline downfall is patience. I need to follow more. Hey, same here. Same here. All right, I'm going to end by saying something really big. I'm gonna just tell you guys. I was going to make a video about it. I may, but I want to tell you guys this. On First Republic Bank, it ran up, 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 and you guys saw me do those call options, and then you saw me do the put options and go down, right? Before I did the put options, I did another play that I didn't let you guys know. And I'm so glad I didn't let you guys know. I lost a lot of money. You guys kept hearing me saying I lost a lot of money because I didn't follow my own disciplines. I lost a lot of money. And I will tell you, I'll just tell you guys that are live. I lost $80,000. And that hurt so bad, so bad, so bad. It was just like lessons learned. I paid for my education. I lost $80,000. Number one, I missed my disciplines. I went in way too heavy, right? And way heavier than my gains up. So I lost 80K. But I will tell you, as of yesterday with that Tesla play that I showed you, as of yesterday, since the fall of First Republic, I have made every dime of it back. And how did I make it back? By following my disciplines. By doing only putting the same amount of money at risk, right? Every week, I only had a certain amount of money that I put at risk. I didn't chase call options first thing in the morning because the price of them spikes up. So I don't care how itchy I was, I didn't do it. I followed all of these disciplines. When they were up, I took profits. I never let my options go over the weekend. And I just got back into some of the same plays. These are some of the disciplines that I followed. And instead of trying to make a killing to make it back, I made it back in small bite sizes. And here's another big lesson for you guys. Just because I lost in First Republic doesn't mean that I had to make my money back up in First Republic. For those of you that have taken my class, you know this is one of the lessons that I teach. So I will tell you guys that because of my disciplines, I was able to make all of the actually it was like $83,000. I was able to make all of that back as of yesterday by doing my plays. Okay. So I'm going to let you guys know two things. Number one, okay, today is, I'm going to say, Weebull Wednesday. Now, what I like about Weebull is I'm going to share with you guys, this will be the third link below. The third link below is Weebull. In Mara and Riot, Weebull automatically buys $30 a day of each. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase my Mara to $50 a day. I don't have to touch it. So all 5 trading days, it does it all automatically. I don't have to even go in and do it. And it's going to do it until I tell it to stop. And the reason why I'm doing that right now is, number one, I can do a stop loss on Mara and Riot, right? I could do a take profit. I don't have to worry about it being moved off the exchange or delisted. And it is a way to get into crypto. So Bitcoin went up yesterday, but Mara went up 4 times as much as Bitcoin did. All right. And so that's what I want you guys to check out, the link, the third link below, and get the 12 free stock. And then also get 17 more free stock, and also get your money back soon as you deposit $100. Look at that. You get $100 back, plus you get over $40 stock in C3AI. Okay, good people? That's what I want to tell you guys. I have different portfolios to do different things. Okay, hopefully you guys have learned something from today's video. Let's see here. Tesla expanding to India. I covered that at the beginning of this. Just rewind it. Okay, good people. Make sure you check out and Rivian. Rivian is not a long-term play for me. Rivian is more of a swing play. I will tell you, the only EV company that is currently making money is Tesla. All of the rest are burning money. And that's what Tesla did for many years, over 10 years. All Tesla did was burn through money to build out this infrastructure. But they got ahead of the curve, and now people were talking about them. Why are you doing spending all this money on these charging stations? Elon Musk knew exactly what he was doing, and he had time, patience, and he raised a lot of money. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right there, good people. We'll see you later today. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Make sure you check out the links. Limited time only.